Natawa ako dun sa mga lumalabas na AI. Grabe kayo. Ina-AI mo kami ni Kat. Ang dami nagsisend sa akin ng mga videos and photos namin na nagkikiss, nagkahug. Hindi naman nangyari yun, guys. Masyado mabilis naman kayo dyan. Coincident ba lang i-matchy-matchy nyo na damit ni Katrin? Yes! That's what was weird. I don't know if weird is the right word, but that was a little, it was very coincidental. Every time she came out of her room and I came out of my room, we were always wearing the same color. At hindi yan planado. Kaya, I guess, great minds think alike. Oo daw, sinabi niya earlier, Loida. Tanong natin para di tago maguluhan. You're late to the party. I already answered that, and I said I'm gonna answer it once and once only. All right, and I answered it. Guys, good vibes lang tayo ha. For parents, for babies, Q&A, most memorable moment in Palawan. Sure. Wait, bring this closer. There was actually a lot of memorable moments in Palawan. Napakadami. If I can think of one most memorable moment in Palawan, it was marami. Especially the last night after nag-video okay tapos nag-bar hopping kami. Tagal ko hindi kasi nag-bar hopping and I'm sure siya din. So we went bar hopping with our team and entourage and it was so fun. Makikita niyo yan sa lalabas namin vlogs and reels. So yeah. And it was the first time I drank Red Horse in I think like 6 years. I don't normally drink. So nung nagbukas sila ng Red Horse, si Chiki uminom. Tapos nag-cheers sila. Tapos may nagtanong sa akin, like, "Oh, grabe si Chiki nag-Red Horse." Nung sinabi nila yun, sabi ko, sige na nga, ako na din. Kung nag-Red Horse siya, ako din. Mag-Red Horse din ako. Lakas pala ng Red Horse. I think I only had 4 stallions. And I was I got like 75 to 80% drunk. May allergy ka daw po ba sa balahibo? Yes, may allergy ako sa balahibo ng aso. And every time I go to Katie's place in Miss B, nangangati yung mata ko. Even me at home, I have 2 dogs. I have Pablo and CJ. But I have air purifiers and air filters all over my house, all over my condo. Sa skin. May buhok ba dito?
Yes, sir.
Meron?
Okay. Hindi magpantay.
Cute ni Delilah, bagong pet. Yes, Delilah is Katie's favorite song. Kaya kinanta namin yun ng isang gabi. Actually, every night tumatambay siya dun. Gusto niya lang mag-video okay. All night. May upcoming, we are gonna try na ayusin yung KKK concert soon. But let's see. Let's see kung marami may mag-sponsor. Siyempre, andun yun sa mga sponsor. Kailangan namin maraming sponsor para matuloy yung project. Diba? What? It's not Mrs. B, guys. It's Miss B. But I know gusto nyo maging Mrs. B, so kayo na lang magsabi. It's Miss B, okay? Miss B. Bakit chick ang tawag niya kay Kat? Real name pa ba yan? No, that's not her real name. Ano lang? It's her nickname from a long, long time ago. Akit sa taas yung chair. Yung massage chair. Yes, I think it looks better in the room. Diba guys, in the master's bedroom, when you have the bed, then you have the massage chair in the corner, you have a TV, it looks good, diba? So, since I'm not with them, account ko muna. Merly, trust the process ngani. Trust the process ngani. Sinabi niya kasi for content lang naman. No, guys. You know, everything that you see, yes, we're shooting content, but everything that you see, it's kami talaga yun. The camera's just rolling and we're just being ourselves. Everything you see is 100% authentic on cam. It's not scripted. There is no script. Yes, there's shoot days, right? We have our schedule for shooting because of course we have to, schedule Lara. We have to schedule Kathy. Lara is mine and Kathy is hers. So, syempre we have to respect their schedules and kailangan namin i-schedule yung mga shooting days namin. But yung shooting day na yun, wala naman talagang plano. Okay, so they're just rolling, and whatever you see is talagang that's how we are. So thank you guys for all the support. Pinapadami nyo talaga yung views namin, and nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo na maraming salamat. And we're gonna try our best to keep this going so everybody's happy, everybody has good vibes. Nanligaw ka na ba kay I don't know. Let's not answer that right now because let's just wait. Let's wait for Tito Boy. Di ko naman siya nililigawan, but I'm a nice person. I'm just being nice. Some people might see that as something else, but I'm just trying to be nice and a gentleman. Yung mga ibang parts dun yung content, like hers, yung Q&A, diba? So may mga questions yun. But that part, si Jelay ang nagsulat ng question. So minsan nagagulat na lang si Chiki na yun pala yung question. And of course me, I'm answering it on the spot. So there's really nothing scripted about those parts. And the who's most likely, of course, kilala namin isa't isa. And there's no reason for that to be scripted either. When we go eat, when we were at City of Dreams, when we were at El Nido, there's nothing scripted about that, guys. I mean, the camera's just rolling. So what you see is what you get. Bukas yung guest ng Tito Boy, yes. Pero, I think we're taping, so hindi namin alam kung kailan yung airing. Balitaan na lang namin kayo. Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako. Hindi ko alam yung mga tatanungin ni Tito Boy. Answer within your heart. Ano ba yan? Tapos ang cute-cute ni Katie nung baby siya, dala-dala nyo, interview kay Mel Chanko. Yeah, I remember that. Pages of my heart. Lagi ko nakikita niyo mga post nyo. Galing nyo mag-AI, ha? Pero yung mga ginagawa nyo para kay Katie, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Katie sa mga post nyo. Okay. Wala na kayong tatanungin? And live muna ako, ha? May mga gagawin lang ako. Alright? Mag-email pa ako. So thank you guys for joining me for this short while dito sa Facebook, and abangan nyo ang mga ilalabas namin mga vlogs and reels. Yung reels dito, yung vlogs sa YouTube. So I think sino ba yung maglalabas muna? Ako yata yung first vlog of El Nido. So abangan nyo yan. Okay? Salamat guys, and salamat Rima.